Let us start our science class with today's thought. Your mind is everything. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. So, children, always fill your mind with positive, creative thoughts. Today, we are going to study heart diseases and heart attack. Each disease has specific scientific reason. Diseases do not occur due to divine curse or by hating anyone. Diseases can be cured by proper medical treatment and not by chanting mantras or performing magic tricks. How heart attack come in human body, that we are going to see. A heart attack happens if the flow of oxygen rich blood to a section of heart muscle suddenly becomes blocked, blocked and the heart cannot get oxygen. So children, let me tell you about arteries, veins and how heart actually works. Heart is present almost at center in thoracic cage. It is present behind the ribs between two lungs and slightly inclined on the left side. Do you know size of our heart? Size of our heart is equal to one's own fist and it weighs about 360 grams. Arteries carry the blood away from heart and they carry pure oxygenated blood. Veins carry blood towards the heart from various parts of body and they carry deoxygenated blood. So heart continuously performs the blood circulation in our body. So when the flow of oxygen rich blood suddenly becomes blocked, then heart did not get oxygen and other nutrients and at that time heart attack results. Most heart attacks occur as a result of coronary heart disease CHD. CHD is a condition in which a waxy substance called plaque builds up inside the coronary arteries. In this diagram you can see blood clot and a waxy substance plaque is formed inside the artery and this waxy material actually blocks the flow of oxygen rich blood towards the muscles of heart and this is the main reason of heart attack. Heart diseases. Efficiency of heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. So when our heart works well, everything goes well, our body functions are going smoothly. But when the efficiency of heart is reduced due to some causes, the heart does not perform its regular work. This causes heart disease. Continuous supply of blood is needed for the heart muscles. This blood provides oxygen and nutrients to the heart. When this supply is hindered, the heart gets stressed. This can cause heart attack. In such condition, immediate treatment and doctor's advice is must. This can save the life of a patient. Symptoms of heart disease: severe chest pains, pain in shoulder, neck, and left arm, cramps in the hand, uneasiness and tremors, excessive perspiration. Reasons of heart attack: smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, anxiety. First aid for heart disease. First, call 108 for ambulance. Number 2, check the consciousness of patient by shaking the shoulders. Number 3, keep the patient lying on the back in horizontal position on hard surface and perform compression only life support COLS. In this, press the center of thorax for at least 30 minutes 30 times at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. So first important thing is immediately getting help by dialing number 108 and call the ambulance. Number 2, check whether the patient is in conscious state or not. Number 3, giving first aid of COLS type, that is compression only life support. In this, the patient is made to lie on hard surface in horizontal position and the pressure is given on his or her thorax so that the heart is kept on working. The pressure and giving the strokes should be continued till the doctor arrives. Diagnosis: ECG is taken to check the activity of the heart. Complete checkup by the cardiologist should be done, and few specific blood tests may be advised by the cardiologist. And we will see about various modern treatments of heart diseases in next video.